Good day, everyone. All right, we get this question one attempt now. A past question for our head. I beg pay attention now. As we dey break am down, we go. Solution. We have x plus 3 raised to the power, or in bracket, raised to the power of 4 over 3 is equals to 16. All right. So definitely now, why you think they very very complicated? Because e get power wey raised to wetin to 4 over 3, and this power now wan dey make am dey so ambiguous, so big and so complicated to solve. All right. So my main target now, first see as I want take analyze this power for here to make am simpler for me. You understand? I go bring the question come down like this. So for x plus 3 raised to the power of 4 over 3 is equals to 16. Now remember, say if we get this equal sign wey dey here, and we wan get 2 for here, our answer suppose for the other side supposed to be wetin 2. Abi? Is the same thing as writing 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. This sign wey dey here no be just ordinary sign. E dey try tell you say wetin dey the left hand side dey equal to wetin dey the right hand side. Alright, so maybe you just see am. So we get different sign. We get greater than, we get less than, we get greater than, less than or equal to. You understand? And we get not equal to. So all these signs, they matter for mathematics. Maybe just dey see am like this. Alright, so this equal sign means wetin dey left hand side must equal wetin dey right hand side. So if una doubt me, I bring one small question and one small analysis. When I say 2 is equals to 2, abi? Now, this 2 dey equal to 2, abi? Yes. So I want decide to add 1 for here. As I add 1 for here now, I will decide to add the same 1 for here. It will wait in 3 is equals to 3. Let me tell you, say, anyhow we twist am, right must correspond with left. So if I blow right, I must blow left. If I slap right, I must slap left. Alright. So anything I do for here, if I square this 2, I must square this 2 for here. At the end of the day, I will still get my answer. So definitely what we want to do for here now is say one multiply this power by the inverse of the power. Alright, so now it will come be waiting x plus 3 all raised to the power of 4 over 3. Inverse of 4 over 3 is 3 over 4. You understand? Now I don't do one for the left hand side, abi. I will equally do one to the right hand side. Equals to waiting 16 or in bracket 3 over 4. Now they get an abi. Now if we simplify this further, now this 4 will cancel this 4, this 3 will cancel this. It will be what? S plus 3 raised to the power of 1. And anything raised to the power of 1 is still that number. So bringing our equation down here, x plus 3, you understand, is equals to what? 16 raised to the power of 3 over 4. Now, when I listen, when I say for lots of indices, if we get x raised to the power of n over n, it's still the same thing as what? N root of x all raised to the power of n. Alright, what you tell you is say the denominator of this power now will come here. Why this x now will enter inside the roots? You understand? The numerator of this power now will come with the square of this roots. You understand? So definitely if I get 2 raised to the power of 3 over 5, I can equally say this denominator now, put the 5 for here, put my root sign, put my 2 inside, all raised to the power of 3. You understand? So this is it. And the same thing we want to do for here. So moving on, we have x plus 3 is equals to waiting root of 4 root 16 all raised to the power of 3. And if you solve for that, 4 root 16 are 2. You understand? So that's why you say 2 into 4 places. Abi 4 root 16 are 2. So it will be what? X plus 3 is equals to what? 2 raised to the power of 3. Abi, so if we get 2 raised to the power of 3, it's 2 times 2 times 2. So it will be what? X plus 3 is equals to 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. So taking this 3 to the other side, when I think when I answer now, as we don't reach this stage now, when I say I don't break and down, Abi. Tell me your answer, Abi. Alright, moving on. If we take this 3 to the other side, x will be equals to 8 minus 3. You know, say anything we cross this equal sign, the sign must change. You understand? So this positive don't change to negative. It will be what? X minus 3. So your answer will be 5. And that will be your final answer. Wanna follow, wanna share my video. I beg.